An organization today can't function without its data. Data is how decisions are made. And when it comes to the data side, you're going to have a very high level view of it. We have data, we're going to do data science, we're going to have some data engineering, we're going to derive some value. Sounds good, right? But really, what is it that you have? And the diagram that you see before you is an effort to try to ground those high level ideas. As you can see there, you have collection, you have storage, you have processes, analysis, and ultimately consumption of those data products. But what really is in all these boxes? So if you think about the collection on its own, you can see there that the different types of data really matter, right? You have data coming off of applications, you have data coming off of monitoring, you have potentially IoT type information. All of these are generating information in different ways, different granularity, different frequency, and so the volume, variety, and velocity vary across all of them. Consequently, when it comes to the storage, you have different types of storage, right? You have document databases, you have relational database management systems, you have key value pair stores, you have distributed decentralized databases, and many others. You have cloud, none of the ones I mentioned before type of databases. You have databases that are simply caches. And so you can see there the richness when it comes to storage and the ability to be able to pick up and process that information. Then you have the big task that is ETL, extract, transform, and load. How do we pick up all this variety and get it into a shape that we can work with it, that we can do analysis on? And then you have there a whole other set of platforms that are used. Ultimately, you're trying to provide the structure and format that then a data scientist can derive information from. And then you have further down the stream those that are packaging them into applications for consumption, for end users. Now you have a number of data titles across this. You have the analyst, you have the architect, you have the scientist, oftentimes the role of machine learning engineer, because data scientists really are not good at packaging products in a software engineering sense. And so the machine learning engineer adds optimization and productizes in many ways. And across all of these, you have data engineering, as you can see. So data engineering really is a core component of today's data infrastructure. And given that organizations can't function without their data, it is a career that has a great deal of opportunity and also really interesting work as well.